For this next segment, I'm going to be zoomed right out. I think it's going to be crap. You're not seeing a clear image of just what I see through the windshield, which has always been my goal. But today we're experimenting with a new look. So let's see how this works out. Who knows, maybe you like seeing the extra detail of my rear view mirror and my dashboard, filthy as it is. Maybe you can see a chunk of my head or my arms. Don't know. So we're going to proceed on from Gyro Park. Oh, there's the guy learning how to drive an electric car. A bumpy section, we'll see how that looks. Well, let's just take a little tour down Morgan here, or Douglas, I guess it is now. It's one of my co-workers. Looks like Russer. If you're a tourist visiting Nelson, don't take this road. This is my road. You go ahead and take the main drag. Leave this one for the locals so we don't have to sit in your traffic jam this summer. This is Douglas. It's in between High Street and View, which is kind of funny because High Street is not the highest street. And Douglas is a great connector to get from downtown like Baker Street and uphill to Fairview without any traffic lights, with very few stop signs, although goddamn bikes. Pretending they're cars but disobeying the rules of the road. Gotta love it. And then Douglas turns into 5th Ave, so now we're in Fairview, and 5th Ave is this series of stop signs every single intersection. I kind of wish they would make 5th Street, I guess it is, a throughfare. They did it with 3rd Street, but not 5th. So you have to stop every single intersection. On your way across, oh, there's another co-worker. It's Chris. Chris actually has a video on YouTube too. Just one. Cabby Chris. Look it up, it's kind of funny, him driving in the snow. So yeah, as you can see, stop after stop after stop. It'd be really nice to have a way to get across Fairview without having to stop every single intersection. And I guess you can on 3rd, but then you gotta go all the way down to the highway down there. And it's 30 kilometers an hour, and it's super narrow, and it's a traffic calmed situation with bike right-of-way, so it's not really going to be any faster than what we're doing right now, although I slow boat it sometimes. But it gets on. I mean, I probably drive this 40 times a day. How many times am I stopping there? Hundreds of times. I've joked that the city of Nelson must have gotten a bumper deal on stop signs because there's pretty much one at every intersection in this town. And like, where are they gonna put stop signs next, since they're so addicted to putting up stop signs? Maybe they'll have to start putting them, midway down a block, so you only go half a block and then you have to stop for reasons. So this is the edge of Fairview, sort of the edge of Nelson. If you ever want to go to Red Sands, which is a naturalist beach, textiles optional, so to speak, you go down here, 8th Street. And since this is a nice little drive and I want to try something else with my camera, we're going to pull over here and make an adjustment. Oh, look at that shake. pre-selling new condos now. More expensive shit nobody can afford. Nobody that lives here, that is. Where's all the workers? I don't know. Maybe they can't afford to live here anymore. All right. Let's readjust.